What's up, guys, and welcome back to Acorns Offroad. So it's been about, I don't know, a week for you and probably about 35 minutes for me at most, because I've been doing a lot of work to the jet ski the last day and a half-ish. So we're going to be installing the last product for now onto the ski, and it's going to be the bumper guards now, or the fender snap-in installation kit, as SEADOO calls it. I really wish I got these the first season, because I marred up the ski pretty good right around this region. I need to get new registration boat numbers, but so I'm going to show you guys how to install that. It's a super simple install, so it should only take a couple of minutes. And if you need to cheap out for a season or maybe a couple weeks or a couple months or something, because you know the part's out of stock or something like that, at the end of the video I will show you a budget-friendly solution to give yourself some bumpers for your jet skis. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so there's not much to this. You get these two little brackets and then you get the screws that go with them. And they're pretty self-explanatory, and you can actually put them relatively where you want. However, the more spaced out you get, probably the better off you are for it. So SEADOO recommends you put it right where the hole comes up like so, and it'll clip on from the bottom so you can hold it for installation. And then the front, right as well where the bolt hole comes up. So, now what we need to do is mark it. So what I'm going to do is take this little center punch. I'm going to mark a hole after you firmly press in. So what they want you to do is press firmly in and then mark the hole. Which this is going to be fun. We're going to be drilling with a 7/32 drill bit, and you want to drill down at approximately a 30-degree angle. And what that's going to do is make sure you don't go through the hole itself, and you basically come into the spot in between the gun wells here. So I'm going to get a piece of cardboard for the back side of it so I don't go through and then damage the outside hole of my ski. So you can just take a little piece of cardboard from the box that came in, and again, we don't have to use it right now, but approximately 30 degrees. I don't like this, guys, to be honest with you. I still damaged my ski. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you on this one, guys. If I have to do this again, which I'll do on the other side, I'm paying someone to do it, because I definitely screwed that up 3 out of 4 times. 3 out of 4 times. 2 of them aren't that bad. 1 I'm actually kind of concerned about. Yeah. But that's all for today's video. They'll work fine. They will work just as intended to, but yeah, 1 makes me kind of concerned. I should be able to fix it. Not a problem realistically, but I'm not happy. And that was my bad. Okay guys, so I know I told you I'd show you a little cheap trick to get you by for a little bit if you need to. And that is pool noodles. So you cut up some pool noodle, you get some rope, you tie like a little square knot or something on the end of the rope, and then, you know, different sizes for different parts of the ski, but you can use your handlebars. Yep, see, this one's for the back, right? So I'll take the longer one I made. So you make a loop, and you basically loop it to whatever you can. I used the rear grab handle of the ski here. Currently the ski is a workbench because I'm about to start another project. But you create bumpers with pool noodles and some rope. It works really good for, like, I don't know, $8 worth of material, a couple bucks in a noodle, a couple bucks and a few feet of rope, and then you have bumpers. Now, the SEADOO bumpers, they work great. I'm putting SEADOO bumpers on the other side. Like I said, I'm paying someone to do them. So like the finished product, the back came out good. The front is cockeyed as all heck. The back looks great, the front not so much. And that's totally my fault. I thought I measured twice, drilled once. Apparently I didn't measure 2 enough times. But it is what it is, not a big deal. I fixed everything that I messed up. It basically just chipped the bottom of the hull a little bit. I used some marine grade 5200, and that sealed it up right and fine. And in the winter time, in the off season, I'm gonna send it to a fiberglass shop. They'll repair it, maybe 150, 200 bucks, whatever, to get all the 3 little holes that I nicked up fine. But for now, I can ride it. It's great. It works perfectly fine, just as intended. Just isn't the prettiest thing in the world. So with that being said, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the 3rd grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you